Cold calling is a great way to promote your products or services to potential customers. By following a few simple tips, you can increase your chances of success. Here are some tips on how to use cold calling to promote your products or services. Do your research. Before you start calling, take some time to learn about the people you're calling. What are their needs? What are their pain points? What are their goals? The more you know about your prospects, the better equipped you'll be to tailor your pitch and promote your products or services in a way that is relevant to them. Personalize your pitch. Your pitch should be tailored to the specific needs of each prospect. Don't just give a generic spiel about your products or services. Instead, focus on how your products or services can help the prospect add what we can do to solve his problem or achieve a goal. Be confident and enthusiastic. When you're cold calling, it's important to project confidence and enthusiasm. People are more likely to be interested in learning more about your products or services if they believe that you're knowledgeable and passionate about what you're selling. Be persistent. Cold calling can be tough, but it's important to be persistent. Don't get discouraged if you hear a lot of no's. The more people you call, the more opportunities you'll have to promote your products or services. Here is an example of a cold calling script that you can use to promote your products or services. Introduction. Hi, John. My name is Alex from ABC Company. I'm calling because I noticed that you're a, and we add the job title at, and we add the company name. Pitch. I understand that you may be facing some challenges with, and we add the challenge, and our products or services can help you solve the challenge. For example, our product or service helped one of our customers achieve that exact result. Question. Are you interested in learning more about how our products or services can help you? Call to action. I'd be happy to schedule a demo or send you more information. Are you available next week? If the prospect is interested, schedule a demo or send them more information. If the prospect is not interested, ask if there is anything else you can do to help them. Here are some additional tips for promoting your products or services through cold calling. Focus on the benefits of your products or services, not just the features. Use case studies and testimonials to demonstrate the value of your products or services. Offer a free trial or consultation so that prospects can try out your products or services before they buy. Make it easy for prospects to buy from you. Have a clear call to action and make sure your website is easy to navigate. By following these tips, you can use cold calling to promote your products or services effectively and generate leads and sales for your business.